Hello students, let us study present tense. See here, present tense verbs. If verbs comes means how the present tense, the verbs will change according to the gender. That is, we are going to study. For example, let us read. We have studied many verbs. A means come, ja means go. A come, ja go. Like that, ga sing. Let us take only first one verb. For example, if it is a boy, for example, Ram means Ram, verb. For verb from verb plus ta, you have to add ta. If it is masculine singular, you have to add ta with the verb. Ata, Ram, ata, hai. That means Ram comes. Ram ata hai, that means Ram comes. For example, Sita. Sita aati hai. For the verb you have to add ta. If it is masculine singular, from the verb root you have to add ta. Ata, girl means ti, masculine plural te, feminine plural ti alone. Sita aati hai, that means Sita comes. I think this is clear. With the verb you have to add ta with ta. Girl means Sita aati. See here, Sita aati. A plus ti, aati. If it is plural, boys plural, for example, Ram aur Mohan. Ram aur Mohan. See here, aate will come. Instead of hai, you have to put hai. Plural. These are all singular, so hai. Plural means hai, plural. I think this is clear. Ram aata hai. Sita aati hai. Ram aur Mohan aate hai. Then Sita aur feminine plural, the same ti will come. Sita aur Lata. See here, aati. Aati and hai, you have to put full stop. Dot and a full stop. Like that, ja. If it is ja means Ram, instead of Ram, jata will come. Singular means jata. Masculine singular ta. Keep in mind, with the verb root, masculine singular ta. Feminine singular ti. Jati. Sita goes means Sita. Ram comes. Ram goes. Sita goes. Ram aur Mohan jate. The verb won't change. With the verb root you have to add ta, te, ti. Sita aur Lata jati hai. I think this is clear. Let us go to the lesson. In this lesson you have to change the gender. See here, first sentence. Page number 128, first sentence. Vah aata hai. See here, vah gata hai. Ga means sing. Vah gata hai, that means yah gata hai means he sings. Gata, instead of gata you have to change gati. Masculine you have to change gati. Vah gati hai. Vah gata hai. You should write the question and write the answer. Vah gati hai. Vah gata hai. Vah gati hai. I think this is clear. Gata means sing. Sing. Vah gata hai means he sings. Vah gati hai means she sings. Second question, second sentence. My sunti hum. Sun means listen. I listen. My, see here, my sun means listen. Sun means listen. This is the verb root. With the verb root ti and my sunti whom. My comes means it ends with whom. My sunti whom means I listen. How we will change? You should change this ti into ta. My sunta whom. That means I listen. This also the same meaning. The meaning won't change. But if it is feminine means sunti will come. Masculine means sunta will come. My sunti whom. That means I listen. My sunta whom means I listen. Both are same. But here if it is feminine, ti will come. Masculine means ta will come. Like the third one. तुम क्या देखते हो? See here, it's, if you listen only you can understand. See here, third one. तुम comes means this is second person singular. तुम means it may be masculine or feminine. So you can't understand. You can't find out that it is masculine. If it name comes means you can easily understand. Example, Ram, तुम क्या करते हो? Like that means Ram comes, so you are telling to a boy. But if it comes tum alone, if no name comes means, what you should do is you always use te. Tum kya dekh means see. Tum kya dekhte ho. Tum kya dekhte ho. Tum comes means it ends with ho. So what its meaning means, what do you see? Simple present tense. तुम क्या देखते हो? That means what do you see? See here. Here you have to change this into feminine t. That's all. तुम क्या देखते हो? तुम क्या देखती हो? What do you see? You are changing just masculine into feminine. So तुम क्या देखते हो? I think this is clear. If ta comes means you should change into ti. Ti comes means you should change into ta. Next is हम शहर जाते हैं. Fourth sentence, हम शहर town. जाते हैं means plural. We go to town. हम शहर जाते हैं. हम शहर जाते हैं. हम शहर जाते हैं. That means we go to town. Here जाते plural. So what you should, हम शहर जाती है. That instead of जाते instead of जाती. Ta comes means you should change into ti. Te comes means ti. Ti comes means ta. Fourth one, आप क्या करती है? आप क्या करती है? Fifth one, आप क्या करती है means we are giving respect to a person. आप क्या करती है? That means what do you do? Karti means you are asking a person respect. So आप क्या करते हैं? Since आप comes, you have to give respect. So आप क्या करते हैं? आप क्या करते हैं? Sixth one, वे रोटी नहीं खाती. वे रोटी नहीं खाती. ये वे comes for plural. वे roti means bread. वे रोटी नहीं खाती. This comes for खाती will comes. वे, since वे comes means they those. वे रोटी नहीं खाती means They don't eat bread. So they roti nahi khati means they don't eat bread. How do you change into plural? Change that gender. Here alone you have to. They roti nahi. Since it is plural, singular means ta, plural means te. Feminine, here feminine plural, so here you should masculine plural. Kate, hi, you need not put. Nahi comes means you need not put hi. So, ve roti nahi kate. So, here ve roti nahi kate is it is in the question kate. So, you should change into kati. My chai nahi piti. My chai, keep in mind, nahi comes means you need not put hai. Because nahi means no, hai means is. So in a sentence, both positive and negative won't come. So nahi means, nahi gives negative meaning, hai means positive meaning. So you need not write. If nahi comes means you need not put hai. My chai nahi piti. My chai nahi piti. My chai nahi piti. That means I don't drink tea. So what you should do here, it is feminine or masculine. This is feminine. So you should change. Everything comes. My chai nahi. Instead of piti you have to write pita. My chai nahi pita. Except this pita will come. There is no other and all, no change. 7th one. 8th one, tum kya jate, tum kaha jate ho. Tum comes, kaha, tum kaha. Tum comes means you don't know whether it is masculine or feminine. So jatum comes means it always ends with ho, and if you don't know whether it is masculine or feminine, you have to put te. For example, what do you do? Tum kya karte ho? What do you eat? Tum kya khate ho? If you know that is feminine, you can put ti. So tum kaha jate ho? That means where do you go? Tum kaha jati ho? What is its? You are asking this to a boy and you are asking this to a girl. Tum kaha jate ho? Boy means te, girl means ti. Even if see here, tum only, since tum is coming, you are adding te. Next, 9th. Kaun doodh lati hai. Kaun means kaun doodh lati hai means who brings milk. Kaun doodh lati hai means who brings milk. Instead of lati you have to bring you have to write lata. Kaun doodh lati hai, kaun doodh lata hai. आप क्या कब खेलती है? आप कब खेलती है? कब means when do you play? आप कब खेलती है? You are asking these questions to a girl. So feminine, giving respect. If it is masculine, you have to write आप कब खेलते. If it is masculine, खेलते, feminine, खेलती. I think this is clear. So once again let us read from first. I am telling, see here, masculine singular you have to word ta. Masculine singular atta. Feminine singular ati. Masculine plural ate. Feminine plural ati. The same ati, but you have to put dot for the high. In this exercise, you are changing masculine into feminine. Feminine means masculine. That is the question. This sentence exercise. वह गाता है, that means he sings. You change into वह गाती है means she sings. मैं सुनती हूँ means I listen. This is telling a girl is feminine. मैं सुनती हूँ means I listen. मैं सुनता हूँ I listen. तुम क्या देखते हो? तुम comes means it also ends with ho. It always ends with ho. You don't know whether it is feminine or masculine, so you have to put te. Tum comes means if you don't know that it is masculine or feminine, you have to always put it to te. So tum kya dekhte ho means you are asking this question to a masculine singular person. Tum kya dekhte ho? Tum ka dekhti. Dekhte you should change into dekhti. Fourth one, हम शहर जाते हैं. We go to town. हम शहर जाती है. You change. आप क्या करती है? So what do you do? आप क्या करते हैं? वे रोटी नहीं खाते. वे रोटी नहीं खाते. वे रोटी नहीं खाती. मैं चाय नहीं पीती. मैं चाय नहीं पीता. तुम कहाँ जाती हो? Where do you go? Question, how will you change the question? तुम कहाँ जाते हो? कौन दूध लाता है? Who brings milk? कौन दूध लाती है? आप कब खेलते हैं? आप कब खेलते हैं? आप कल खेलती है. Listen students, all should write the question and answer like that. One question, one answer like that you should change and write. Don't forget, all should send the homework. Don't forget to send the homework. I think this is clear. If you have any doubt, you put in the comment box. Thank you students.